What's good? It's the Real 40 GPMLENT. Thank you for tuning in to Rapper School. Today I'm gonna teach you the quickest and easiest way I found to write a song. Step 1, find a beat that speaks to you. You're gonna wanna go through beats, and I mean really go through beats. I'm not talking about 1, 2, or 3. I'm not talking about 10 beats. You might wanna listen to 20 beats, 40 beats, 80 beats. You might even wanna listen to 720 beats. But the whole point of it is you're gonna wanna find a beat that speaks to you. I mean, when you listen to the beat, it really speaks to you. You're vibing with it. It's doing something to you emotionally, because 9 out of 10, if it's doing it to you, that vibration is also going to impact the person or people that you want to listen to your content. Step 2, download an audio recorder. It's necessary, especially if you don't just want to write from scratch. And this is what I mean by it. Once you find a beat, which was step 1, a beat that you're really feeling, the next step is to freestyle on the beat. You're not thinking about what you're rapping about or singing about. You're just going through the whole beat. There's a reason why, and I'm gonna tell you right now. You are going to listen and look for the cadences that you're using, the cadences that you like. You're gonna look for the melodies that you like.
Yeah! I like that. I like that.
Even if what you said in a freestyle didn't make sense, once you have those cadences and the melodies in your head, you use those cadences and melodies and actually write words that make sense if everything that you're saying does not make sense. And this is when you're also going to be picking out what your subject matter is in your course. This is the fun part. It's a rough draft. So get the freestyling going, and we're getting to step 3. Step 3. Now that you recorded your freestyle, listen to it and write down a rough draft. Write down the melodies that you like, the different cadences. Work off that. Listen to it over and over again. Pick the cadences and melodies that you like and start writing lyrics on that paper. Remember, this is just a rough draft, so don't be too hard on yourselves. Come up with ideas. This is the time that you want to come up with a subject matter, a main course, which is the main part you want to stand out, and it's usually repeated at least 2 or 3 times within the song, sometimes more. So that's step 3. Step 4, practice your rough draft. You're going to want to practice your rough draft. This is the time that you're going to take out any words that don't fit. That just don't sound right. No. Add any words in that do. Make sure you got your cadency the way you want to. Make sure your lyrics are fitting in the pockets the way you want to. And this is where you're starting to get more of a feel of the song and starting to vibe to it. And you're getting somewhere now. You're starting to feel yourself.
Yeah, that's it. That's it right there. That's the one. That's the one. Baby, yeah. Hey, we got a hit. We're gonna be rich.
This is turning into a song now. So keep it going. Next step. Once you're done with your rough draft and you feel you're ready, rewrite everything on one paper or even in your notepad in your phone. Write everything, start rehearsing it over and over and over. You want to get so comfortable with your own lyrics to where you're rapping or singing your lyrics without even thinking about it. Once you're that comfortable, then it's time to record, which will be our next video. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because we got a lot of things as far as teaching you about the recording process. It will entail things like how far away to stay from the microphone, how to adjust your microphone settings as far as volume, input, output, alright, microphone technique, actually recording your vocals crispy, so that way when you get into the mixing and mastering, your producer, engineer doesn't have a hard time. you gotta work with a solid, clean recording before you can continue to, work on the mix down and mastering. So our next video will actually be on the recording process. Let's get it.